I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by saving any open work and unplugging external mice or USB peripherals, because those can mask the touchpad. Once done, make sure the Chromebook is charging so the reset won't fail. Now check settings right arrow device, right arrow touchpad to confirm the toggle is on. This verifies software isn't simply disabled. If the touchpad still fails, perform a hardware-level hard reset. Hold refresh plus power until the device restarts. This resets the embedded controller that handles input, often restoring touchpad function. Once the hard reset happens, make sure your Chrome OS is fully updated because firmware and driver fixes frequently resolve touchpad issues. Go to Settings right arrow about Chrome OS and install any available updates, then restart. Updates can replace corrupted drivers the reset didn't fix. After reboot, test the touchpad before signing into every app. If problems persist, run the built-in diagnostics page to check input hardware and look for errors that indicate a driver or hardware fault versus a settings problem. If updates, resets, and diagnostics don't fix the touchpad, back up your data and perform a power wash factory reset. This removes persistent software corruption that other steps can't. Once power wash completes, test the touchpad immediately to determine if software caused the failure. As a troubleshooting tip, use a USB mouse to confirm whether clicks and pointer movement work. If an external mouse works but the touchpad doesn't after power wash, it's almost certainly a hardware fault and needs professional repair or part replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.